Are you ready to stop renting and start investing in your future through home ownership? Hi, I'm Ahmet and I'm excited to introduce you to Old Gilliam, a beautiful new community of two-story townhomes in Cartersville that may be the perfect place for you to call home. Living here, you'll enjoy the pride of home ownership in your beautiful new home with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and a light-filled open design. The main level's open floor plan features an eat-in kitchen with included kitchen appliances, an optional large island, and the flooring and cabinets you choose. You'll enjoy the simplicity of choosing your finishes from professionally paired designer color schemes. Upstairs, your owner's bedroom and attached bathroom and large closet is the perfect retreat. 2 additional bedrooms and a laundry room with included washer and dryer to complete the upper level. With 2 floor plans to choose from, you'll even have the option of a 1-car garage. Park in the garage to avoid bad weather or use it for storage. We've simplified the process to make home buying easy and fun. From start to finish, you'll be amazed by how simple each step is. Choose the professionally designed interior package with the finishes you love most, and you're ready to move in. Say goodbye to your landlord and help to invest in your future. Plus, with lawn maintenance included in the HOA dues, you can skip the yard work and have more time to enjoy your new home and neighborhood. Old Gilliam is situated along Route 411, providing easy accessibility to an abundance of local shopping, including Target, Publix, and Home Depot. Or you'll have plenty of dining options such as Applebee's, Chili's, Panera, and Steak and Shake. All of these and more are within 5 miles from your new home. Or if the small town feel is what you're looking for, head to local boutiques and restaurants in downtown Cartersville. I love browsing the weekly farmers market myself. The community is also conveniently located just minutes from I-75, making commuting to Atlanta, Marietta, or Ackworth a breeze. Old Gilliam is one you have to see for yourself. Contact us to take the next steps. We can't wait to help you on your journey towards home ownership at Old Gilliam.